The M-Class Mark II is the printer to choose when you need the power of an industrial printer but must consider space limitations. The M-Class Mark II is small enough to fit in tight places and sturdy enough to perform in rugged environments. Its compact size is about 20% smaller by volume than the nearest industrial competitor. The M-Class Mark II is fast enough to keep productivity high and downtime low with a proven design and reliable performance. In fact, the M-Class is 30% faster than the nearest industrial competitive printer. Like all Datamax O'Neill's industrial printers, the M-Class Mark II is easy to integrate with a large selection of communication ports and language emulation programs for replacing existing printers from Zebra, Intermec, Eltron, and Boca. The M-Class Mark II is a 4-inch industrial printer with high volume endurance, a fast print speed, and long-term reliability. The M-Class Mark II has a durable die-cast aluminum frame, metal cabinet, gear-driven engineering, and a modular design that makes it easy to upgrade or service in the field. The M-Class also offers all the tools that make it easy to operate and integrate, including a backlit multi-language graphical display, software to manage an entire network of printers, and a large selection of communication ports. The M-Class comes standard with serial, parallel, and USB ports. Optional LAN and wireless LAN are also available. Not sure if you need RFID? The M-Class can be ordered with RFID or it can be added later as a field installable option. Because of its size, affordability, and durability, the M-Class is very popular in the healthcare, pharmaceutical, manufacturing and transportation, and logistics industries.